Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick. Transforming something often discarded, like these old spark plugs, into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm taking one of these old spark plugs. I'll secure it firmly in my bench vise. The goal here is to carefully remove the top metal terminal. I'm using a pair of locking pliers to grip it tightly and twist it off. This helps me access the internal ceramic part, which is what we'll be modifying. Now for a different trick, I take an old AA battery and carefully dismantle it. The goal is to extract the carbon rod from inside. This rod is conductive and surprisingly sturdy, making it perfect for a different kind of tool. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I clean the carbon rod, making sure it's free of any debris, preparing it for its new purpose. I'll insert the carbon rod into my drill and use a piece of sandpaper to meticulously sharpen its tip. A sharp tip is vital for concentrating the heat precisely at the welding point, allowing for clean and effective spot welds. Let's work on the electrical connections. I'm stripping a small section of insulation from one end of this red electrical wire to expose the copper strands. I'll bend and twist the wire securely to ensure a strong electrical contact inside the spark plug. I'll then thread this exposed copper to the top opening of the spark plug, where we remove the original terminal. To prevent any short circuits and ensure safety, I'm going to insulate this connection point thoroughly. I'll wrap red electrical tape tightly around the top of the spark plug, covering all the exposed wire and the connection to the spark plug body. This is crucial for both functionality and safety, as it prevents accidental contact once current is applied. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. For the other end of the red wire, I'm stripping a bit more insulation. I'll then take a metal washer and carefully twist the exposed copper wire around its inner edge. This washer will serve as our positive terminal connection point. Now, I will carefully install the carbon rod onto the spark plug. It will fit snugly into the ceramic insulator. Next, I'm preparing a white electrical wire. I'll strip some insulation from one end and twist it around a smaller metal washer. This assembly will be our negative connection to complete the circuit. It's important to make sure the wire is securely attached to the washer for good conductivity. Moving on to another interesting component. I'm taking the casing of the battery from earlier and carefully cutting open its metal shell. I'll chop these metal pieces into small scraps and collect them in a small glass jar. Basically, we're recycling battery components for our project. To make flux from these scrap metal pieces, I'm pouring some toilet cleaner into the container holding them. This acidic solution will help remove any dirt and prepare the metal for future use. For power, I'm using an 18V Makita drill battery. This powerful battery will provide the necessary current for our homemade tool. I'm connecting the washer from the white wire to one terminal of the drill battery and the washer from the red wire to the other terminal. Watch what happens when I touch the sharpened tip of our homemade tool to the lighter flint. See that spark and immediate ignition? That's the concentrated energy in action, proof that our tool is generating significant heat. I'm using it here to solder onto small wires. You can see how the tip heats up instantly, allowing the solder to melt and flow smoothly. This shows its potential as a portable soldering iron or a precise heating tool for various delicate tasks. Let's try something more challenging. I'll test it on 2 razor blades. See how it quickly heats up and melts through material? This shows its incredible potential for cutting and shaping various materials with precision and ease. Let me show you another impressive use. I have a small strainer and it has a tiny hole in it. I'm going to cut a small piece of mesh to fit the hole. I'm connecting this tool to a small metal strainer, and you can see the mesh quickly heats up, even glowing red. This demonstrates its usability for things like heating or even small-scale metalworking. Next, I'm using a soldering iron to solder the handle of the sieve. The heat radiates and melts the metal, helping to secure the handle. I'll use a soldering iron and a solder wire to solder the handle back together like new. But to make the handle more secure and durable, I'm applying flux to the solder joint to help them bond better. Our incredible multifunctional tool, made from a simple spark plug and a few other everyday items. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve amazing things, from precise soldering to rapid heating. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.